the night light with batteries.
This is a reading light from IKEA, and I was thinking to use it as a night light in case of traveling somewhere. It's not very cheap, it's about €6 here. This is the price here in Cyprus, and that's the information of the box. The thing I really didn't like about this is that it's not very small, it's a little bit bulky because you need to put batteries in it. It takes AAA batteries, rechargeable batteries, these ones, the Lada, and they have the whole set, the charger, the batteries. But really I wasn't convinced about this light. The power consumption is very good. It's only 0.2 watts, 3 volts at 0.2 watts, so that's pretty good. It's gonna save the battery, it will not consume the batteries too fast, and maybe I will get it another time. I have two other lights from IKEA, and this is how this one looks like. It's not too long, so that's good, and the grip here, it's pretty good. It's rubber, but yeah, it's, as you can see, it's a little bit big, and this doesn't open that much, this grip. For example, I couldn't attach it to the shelf here. I mean, it could sit there, but it's not very stable. And the light is pretty nice. It looks, it's adjustable. It has this gooseneck option, so if you want to build a microphone, gooseneck microphone, this is an option to buy one of these lights and replace the wiring from the light to use it as a microphone. There are many gooseneck microphones that are pretty good, so this is gonna be like a ready-made solution, or you could even attach the microphone to the outside of this without modifying it. I was thinking about that too. I hope this helps you get an idea of how this thing looks like. Thanks for watching.